Hello Piyush,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm very energetic, sir, today.
Okay, that's wonderful. Where are you going?
I'm going to job party.
Okay, with whom are you going to your party?
I'm going with my friends.
Okay,
Yes.
uh, what are you going to eat today?
Uh, it's not decided, sir, but when we reach there, then we will decide.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Are you going to chapati with your friends only or with your family members?
Sometimes with my friends or sometimes with my family members.
Okay, which is very favorite place for you to have lunch or dinner or maybe some snacks?
I had, I used to go Raju Hotel.
Okay, you used to go Raju Hotel.
Yes.
What do you like? What is your favorite food?
Lachha paratha with shahi paneer.
Got it. That's another part. Okay. Will you guys eat only, or are you going to discuss some good point in with your friends?
No, sir, we are only going for eating.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my home.
Okay. Why did you decide to go to only chapati? Why didn't you decide to go somewhere else?
Sir, because my friends are able to come to a party.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. Apart from chapati, any public area do you like in Korba?
No, sir.
You don't like?
No.
Okay, that's wonderful. Tell me one thing that apart from chapati or apart from any restaurant, okay,
Yes, sir.
if you want to be with your friend, if you want to communicate with your friend, if you want to chat with your friend, okay, which place would be good for you? It could be anywhere else.
Sir, I prefer stadium is good for talking and
Which time do you prefer to go to stadium?
sir, majorly I go in the morning time,
Hmm.
but when we have to discuss something or we are not having a place,
Hmm.
so we will go to stadium
Okay.
at at evening time also.
Okay, do you have friends like who can discuss some good point with you about career or something else?
No, sir, I'm not having that kind of friends,
Hmm.
but I'm having some relatives in my family,
Okay.
like my uncle
Okay.
and oh, one or two or three elder brothers,
Got it.
cousin brothers.
Last two questions. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to discuss with a serious topic, if you have any confusion, where do you go and with whom do you discuss that?
I discussed with my parents.
That's wonderful. Have a seat. Big hand for him. That's wonderful.